Hey gang, this is Trainer LT here. I was driving to one of my clients' houses today and something popped in my head. It's almost weekend and I realized that most people plan all types of stuff for the weekend. All different events, family gatherings, everything is just all planned out. But what happens is we forget to plan for fitness and exercise on the weekend. We forget all about that. If you work out consistently, you might plan for your workouts during the week. On the weekend, you forget about working out. Or you might forget about eating healthy because you're planning for all the bad food you're going to eat. But instead, how about trying to plan on the weekend for at least one day of activity and planning for the weekend for eating healthy? And how about planning on the weekend for actually meal prepping? This is the type of stuff that's going to help you get results. And this is the type of stuff that's going to help you actually stay on track. Thinking about the weekend, planning for the weekend, not just planning all your activities and forgetting all about your health. So hope this helps. Get to planning.